Hello guys, welcome to Architectural Intelligence. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn the correct way and method of cut geometry tool in a Revit. Many Revit users face problems with cut geometry. Sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes the cut fails, or the model behaves unexpectedly. In this video, I'll show you the most common mistakes people make while using cut geometry and the correct professional way to use it in a Revit. Let's get started. Always remember, the cut geometry always be cut by the model in place component like wall, floor, roof, generic model and solid element. Anyway, we will start from custom model in place. After choosing casework, we will make a solid. I will give the material texture. Let's the simple one, the white paint. Okay. First of all, we will learn how common mistakes are made like this. I'm just finish the modeling. Okay, after choosing, I created the square solid and finish the model. This is the main mistakes. After, if I wanted to cut this square, it will not possible. I will show you. Again, we will go to the component, select the casework, and now for the cut geometry you always the wide extrusion. So let's see. I will set the plane and make the box. Okay. Now I will give the dimensions square. Now I will extend this in the inside of the model. Now in the modify we will cut geometry, and then we are not able to select the box. You can see it. Casework, always remember whatever you wanna do, like give a shape, anything shape to your model you want to cut, anything, just before the clicking finishing model there. So always remember the cut geometry always works before the finishing model. So I will show you. Pick a plane. Now I will show you how it works. Just cut, and it will be. You can extend this anywhere if you want to cut more. Then you can adjust the sizes of the cut geometry model. This is the before finishing model. Now I didn't finish the model yet. Still, I will do something different. Cut geometry. I will make it again the wide. If I want to wide revolve, there are different things. Edit in profile. If I want to revolve it, Here you can see the different shape I just made. Same, if you want to give a shape to the wall, you can also do like this, any shape you want, like so. I will show you now. If I want to cut the middle place like the wall, let's okay, here I can cut this wall in a midway from the center, like give dip, select the wall like this. I can choose this and increase the sizes, anything. I can do this like this. This is the very best tool in the Revit and CAD geometry. Whatever you want, the give a shape, you can do anything in the square, in for the circle, even in a circle you can do this. Just you need to choose. There are different possibilities like the void extrusions, revolve, blending, anything. Here I can give different shape to the wall. It's here you can see. So that's the correct way to use cut geometry in a Revit without errors. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Revit BIM tips. See you in next tutorial.